All right, here we are. It's Monday. Off work finally. I work Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so I'm happy now. I'm off. Here we are. There's some lambs. Another one. A few more all around me here. Babe he's down here biting on my clothes. There's a pretty little boy. I believe he's going to be a future alpha ram. He's going to have big horns. He's got a lot of Barbados in him. And we got the whole flock together. Everybody. More lambs. Lambs. There's Blacklegs over there. He just had his bottle. What is it, son? What is it? That's Mr. Friendly. One of last year's lambs. Alrighty. Oh. There's that mama feeding her twins. We had 2 sets of twins this year. Them 2 and Babe and his sister. And she's right in there. Right under number 2 with the horns there. Right beside Rosie. And of course, old Babe, he's right here. He ain't gonna get too far from an old Pap, are you, son? No. That's old Pap's boy there. Go over there and play with them sheep, babe. Go over there and show them sheep who's boss, babe. Go on, babe. Here comes number 2. Blacklegs. He's humped up like he don't feel real well, but he's alright. He just had a bottle and I felt of him. He's fine. He's okay. Babe, you wanting to play with some lambs? Come on. Let me go with you. Come on, babe. Come on, babe. There's lambs over here. Come on. I'll go with you, son. I won't let them hurt you. Get on over and get them, babe. You want to play with them? There they are. Play with some of them. There you go. See what they're eating. You need to learn to eat, babe. You need to learn to eat. I'm having a time teaching him how to do anything but bottle. He learns to eat by coming down here, and he hears the sheep eating, so he just eats what he thinks they're eating. Is that right, babe? You hear them lambs are eating? There you go. There's some little lambs. There it is. Eat with it, babe. Eat with it. There's another big pile of lambs right here. Eat with them. Okay. Look at them. Lambs. There's number 15, the last one born. And the first one. What is it, son? Babe's back here at old Pap. Didn't you want to play with? Still got milk on your chin. Little nasty pig. Here come some lambs. They're surrounding you. Okay. Don't fall. Don't fall, dummy. Don't fall, dummy. Hey, baby. Who are you? You want petted? No. They don't want me to touch them. Alright. That's that's enough for today. Thanks for watching. Love you, bye.